I'm Peter De Lorenzo. I'm the CEO of Unity Health, a company based in Melbourne. Avi and the team were just fantastic. I pulled it off and it was just an amazing result. I was unsure about how it's all evolving, each step along the way, but it was unsure in terms of where these things were going to be taken. But that was the secret of the process that made it really useful. That kept us, open and grounded all the way through, and made it such a success. So, it was a great facilitated session from Avi all the way through to the team. One of the best sessions I've been to in any sort of session of this type. It's just so easy when you get a group of people, such a vibrant, intelligent, respected people in a room discussing their goals and how we intersect with each other.